Hi, I am Dayashankar Sharma, and this is Great British Chef's Signature Series. I am from Rajasthan. I born and brought up there in Rajasthan. What I am having here at Heritage is the regional dishes, like lesser known dishes from India. Since like 32 years of my cooking career, what I have learned is that the lesser ingredients is better, not more than 3 dominating flavor of the dish. Hi, I am Dayashankar Sharma and we are here at Heritage Dulwich today. And I am going to cook very innovative cheesy potato and quinoa cake. First step, I am going to grate these potatoes. It's cooked potatoes. I boil it and kept it. I always use moreish fiber potatoes for potato cake and mashed potato kind of. So this grated potato is ready now. Now I am putting quinoa in it. So this much quinoa is in there. Leave it aside. Meanwhile, I am going to chop some green chili and ginger to mix in there. This is the alternative of like normal potato cake. Usually, most of Indian restaurants have regular potato cakes in their menus. But I thought myself, why I don't have to try something else which is like more innovative. The quinoa is a super healthy food. So that's what I thought, okay, let it go and let's try with quinoa. Here you go, our green chili is getting ready now. So here our now ginger. It should be fine. If it is like not fine, then it's like you feel the ginger is bitterness. So I think better if you do it a little more fine. So here we go. So our green chili is ready. So we will put some green chili in here. Now the ginger. Now we have to add some coriander powder here. Now we are going to add some cumin powder as well. Cumin is always, it's like a very cool. It's cool down your, tongue, and it's belong to chaat. Now we are going to add salt here. Now chopped coriander, and we will add some corn flour here. Corn flour, because we are frying it, it gives two things. Like first, it gives body to the potato cake, and another thing, it gives crispness from outside. So that is the main aim. So now we are going to mix this. Mix it well. So this is this thing ready. Now what we need to do is, now we are going to do the stuffing, the cheese. I have smoked cheese. It gives, the smoky flavor as well. So we done a stuffing here, and this our cake. Just give it a nice round. This looks fantastic. This is here. So now we will take another one. So now cheese in here and just close it. Make it round. Most of people love cheese. Whatever, like when we are cooking cheese and it's like a rubbery, and when you are breaking it, it's divine, like a pizza. When we are like eating pizza, it's give you different taste. That's what I did, the stuffing of smoked cheese. That is, smoky flavor and the tangy of chutneys and all. So our potato cake is ready here. So we are frying it now, and then we are going to do a nice decoration. So necessarily no need to do deep fry it. If you want to grill it in an oven, then that is also possibility is there. No need to add corn flour that much if you are not frying it. The all ingredients are already cooked. You no need to fry that much. Now I am going to do a nice salad with this. Yes, this is potato cake and this is chaat version, but yes, still we need to look into our healthier side as well. Like nice your cherry tomatoes, and a nice ginger and a black pepper dressing. We will mix with some salad leaf in it, and this is the dressing. We are going to mix this dressing now, and now we will do the plating. We will put our lovely salad here. Add some beetroot here to make it nice and healthier as well. And now this is hang yogurt with chopped onion and coriander. So we are going to do some dollop of this here, and now we can have our potato cake. You can keep here on that, and then some mint chutney in that, and this is tamarind chutney here. And the last bit, which is very important, this is fried lentils mixed with some salt, crushed pepper and chaat masala. It will give more body and it's give more texture to the salad as well. This is my cheesy quinoa potato cake.